Hello friends, this is Tanishk and welcome back to my channel Easy Learn with Tanishk. I hope you are all doing well and practicing your English listening and speaking skills. I am also practicing it along with you. So in today's video, we are going to talk about something that almost every English learner faces. The common mistakes that can stop you from learning English very fast. Let's see if you are making any of these mistakes and how to fix them. I will tell you a solution of each mistake. So let's get started. So the mistake number one is thinking English is difficult. Many people believe that English is a difficult language, but that's the first and the biggest mistake. When you tell your brain something is hard, your brain starts avoiding it. In reality, English is one of the easiest language to learn. Yes, no gender forms like no gender forms like Hindi and no complicated tenses like some European languages. So instead of saying English is hard, say English is very interesting. That one sentence can completely change your mindset. Uh, the mistake number two is that focusing only on grammar. Yes, grammar is important, but many learners spend months memorizing those rules and never actually speak them. Grammar should support your speaking, not stop it actually. It's okay if your sentence is not perfect. Communication matters more than accuracy. So fluency is built by using the language, not just studying it. So the mistake number three is ignoring the listening practice. Yes, most of the learners try to speak English without ever listening to the real English of the native speakers. Listening is how your brain learns pronunciation, sentence rhythm, and natural expressions. Watch some English movies, YouTube videos, or some podcast. Even 15 minutes a day helps you a lot. Remember, you learn your first language by listening, not by studying it. Okay. The fourth mistake is that being afraid to make mistakes. This one stops so many people. You think, what if I say something wrong? Or what if people laugh at me? But remember, even native speaker make some mistakes. When a baby learns to walk, it falls many times, but still he or she learns to walk around. Same is with the English. Every mistake is a step forward. The fifth mistake is that not reading enough. Yes, reading is like food for your English brain. When you read, you see grammar, new words, and some sentence flow all together. Start with the small things like storybooks, article, or even English subtitles on the videos. The more you read, the more natural your speaking will sound. The mistake number six is that learning words but not using them. Yes, many learners memorize and list of words but never use them in real life. If you learn a new word today, try to use it in a sentence, at least three sentences. Example, if the word is curious, say I am curious about space. My cat is very curious. I read this book because I was curious about it. That's how you make vocabulary part of your memory. The mistake number seven is that translating everything from your native language. This is a big one mistake when you think in your native language first. Your speech becomes slow and unnatural. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. Start with simple thoughts like I am hungry, it's sunny, I should drink water. The more you do this, the later you will become fluent. So the mistake number 8 is inconsistency. Yes, learning English is not about how much time you study or how much hard you study to learn English language. It is about how regularly you study. Even 15 minutes daily is better than 3 hours once a week. Make English a part of your lifestyle, not just a subject. Listen, read, or speak a little every day. Your brain will thank you later. Yes. The mistake number 9 is comparing yourself with others. This one hurts motivation the most. Never compare your English with your friends or teachers. Everyone learns differently. Some are better listeners, some are better speakers. Your goal should be progress, not perfection. Yes. Focus on being better than yesterday, not better than anyone else. Keep in mind that no one is perfect in this world. No one is perfect in English. Even the native speakers make many mistakes while speaking. They don't follow their grammar rules actually while speaking. So nobody is perfect. Just become a better one of yourself. The mistake number 10 is expecting fast results. English learning is a journey, not a race. You can't accept to be fluent in just 1 week. Be patient. Progress takes time, but every small effort counts. If you stay consistent, one day you will look back and realize how far you have come. All these mistakes are very common, but once you know them, you can easily avoid them. Remember, English is not just a subject, it's a skill. You don't learn it overnight, you build it by listening, speaking, reading, and enjoying it. So that's for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something new. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video to your friends, family members, and colleagues, and keep practicing because practice makes you perfect. Now it's the time for the today's new word. The new word of today is consistent. It means doing something regularly without giving up. For example, in a sentence, if you are consistent with your English practice, you will become fluent. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, stay confident, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.